The last class I had already explained the position, nature and size of image in case of concave mirror, convex lens. Now only two cases is left, which is the case of concave lens. Case 1, an object is placed at infinity. केस 1 में ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ रखा है? इन्फिनिटी. So when object is placed at infinity, the parallel rays come from the object which is parallel to the principal axis undergo refracted. As the nature of concave lens is diverging, so these ray get diverged in that direction. Another ray also come from the object which is parallel to that principal axis and undergo refracted, and it get divergent as the nature of the concave lens is diverging. Now these two rays is produced. Here also the ray is produced. These ray appear to meet at the point F1. So the image of an object is formed at F1. We can see over here the image is very small. So we can use the word as highly diminished. Highly diminished. And the nature of image is virtual and erect with respect to object. Now case 2, when an object is placed between optical center and infinity. This is the position of object AB. Now parallel rays come as the nature of the concave lens is diverging, so the ray get diverged in that direction. Another time rule number 3 is applied. A ray passes through the optical center undergo undeviated. These two rays appear to meet at that point, so the image is formed at this point and mark it as A dash B dash. The image is upright as that of object, so the nature of image is virtual and erect, but the size of the image is small in comparison to that of size of object. So see, first position of object. In the first case, an object is placed at infinity. So in that case, the image is formed at focus F1. The size of image is highly diminished and the nature is virtual and erect. In case 2, an object is placed at between infinity and optical center, and the image is formed between F1 and O, that is between focus and optical center. The nature of image is virtual and erect, and the size of image is diminished in comparison to that of size of object. So this is the only two cases for concave lens, but in case of convex lens I had already explained 6 cases. Out of them 5 is real and 1 is virtual. Okay, so in case of mirror I explained total 6 cases for concave mirror and 2 cases for convex mirror, so total of 8 cases, and also in that of lens total is 8 cases.